not everybody in a situation to make the charging station. It will take approximately crores of rupees to set up a single charging station, and for that you have to give daily demand to the utility that this much amount of electrical supply is required for that particular day. So this is a matter of concern. What is the alternate source? Alternate source is 20% of ethanol can be used with petroleum to minimize the dependency of fossil fuels. Okay. What will happen? Sugarcane, from the sugarcane, barley is that extraction can be done with the help of whatever the process, I don't know about that. So from that extraction, 20 ethanol can be extracted. That ethanol is mixed with 20% in a combination with the fuel tank, so that, and the cost of ethanol is very low. And if that 20% is mixed with the petrol or diesel, it will not affect the performance. It will rather increase the performance, and it will decrease the burden of fuel prices. So this is the alternate solution which is government is thinking in parallel to electric vehicles.
Reaching EV at the rural area, definitely it will
Rural area,
take
because the
time.
concern is time. As you can see that 43.5 hours calculation is required in the Delhi National Highway, Delhi Mumbai Highway. So nobody has this much amount of time to.
Because even the table which you have shown that various pilot projects are going on, we have a limitation
It's
there.
still 11. It's still 11 till 2014 till this date. It's still 11 pilot projects.
And that is only pilot projects, sir.
Pilot project. There is no current state project.
Exactly.
So out of that 11 projects, only one, first the Mysore is implemented on 1st of July 2025.
So if you are looking EV, at least in rural areas, it will take
It is next to impossible.
next to months.
So there is a backup plan, there is an alternate plan. That alternate plan is 20% of ethanol can be mixed with petrol, fossil fuel, so such that the dependency is reduced to 20%, and it is in a situation of human beings to in the reach of that.
So we have to look at the
Here
alternative
are
projects.
again alternate. Thank you.
Since time is limited, I have one question. Like, I am very much concerned about the environment, like pollution. We are shifting to the EV only for the sake of saving the environment.
Saving them.
But on the other side, there are I see it seems why government is in hurry. Like it can happen, like R&D can go, and much concern about battery waste disposal are there. There are many other. We are just struggling to set up a station so that grid can work properly. So multiple challenges. I do not want to back out that EV should not be there. The thing is, as compared to the conventional one, things pollutant will be more as compared to incoming it is not such like
These
that.
things are polluting more, but the government has a plan that we have the coal mines are there. There is no limited places where coal mines are there, and from that coal mines limited amount of coal is extracted, and from that coal extraction limited amount of electrical generation is there. So to fulfill the demand of the population is increasing day by day. So after what will happen? Today's population is 140 million. After 10 years, it will not be 140. It will go into the next level.
1/3 added.
Whatever be the, I don't know, the delta X will be there. I don't know about the situation. But the population add will be there. The demand of electricity will be more. How to cater the needs of electrical supply in future? If they are not imposing pressure on today's, how they will survive, or how they will be resilient in the future? After 10 years, if you are imposing, sir, we can implement it 10 years ago. What is the need of that? To think for the future, we have to plan it in today. That is why our future generation will.
Because I have seen contamination from the lead acid battery, it is very severe.
Definitely.
And when we can imagine that crores of battery will pile up in 2 years.
Pile up in 2 years.
After use, like after 10 years, 2 years, it will pile crores of battery. What we are going to use?
I agree. The government has made it a separate cell, separate department for the waste management, such that the negatives which is implemented or dead batteries, that will not impose on the environment. There is a separate cell for that. It is not like that you are using the dead batteries and it is creating a negative impact on the society. So there is a separate cell for that, how to dismantle it, how to become utilized from that product such that it will not affect the environment as well as the human.
Because at present we are struggling to get clean drinking water due to this simple like industry. So again this will add up the pollution.
Government are making plans to remove it.
We can hopefully hope for the best.
Sir, sir, you told us about the ethanol now.
Ethanol.
Yeah. It is contributing as a pollutant with positive or environment friendly.
It is less than that fossil fuel. It is less contaminating than fossil fuel, and it is in the reach of the human beings so that it can buy, and it will not affect the performance of the vehicle.
And it's quite environmental friendly stuff, actually. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. So we have learned a lot from our honorable guests. Like as EVs hit the roads in great numbers, the question isn't just where we charge, but how smartly we do it. This work dives into how EV charging and smart grids can work hand in hand. So thank you so much, sir, for giving us so insightful views. Please, a huge round of applause for him. So as we have reached the last day, the final destination of our facility development program, we'll be ending the session here. And with this ending, I would just like to say that we didn't just attend a program, we lived a vision. And now, with good hearts and enlightened minds, it's time to say a thank you. So gratitude turns what we have into enough and more. It turns denial into acceptance, chaos into order, and confusion into clarity, and a moment into memory. So as we arrive into the final lap of this remarkable journey called Evolve, I find myself reflecting not on an end, but a beginning lit with knowledge, powered by passion, and driven by purpose. Over these 6 electrifying days, we didn't just learn about electric mobility, we felt its pulse. We didn't just listen, we absorbed, questioned, and evolved. So a leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. So to the visionaries of CGC Jhanjeri, I would like to give a heartfelt gratitude to Sardar Rashpal Singh Dhaliwal-ji, Chairman CGC Group in absentia, and Mr. Arshdeep Singh Dhaliwal-ji, Managing Director CGC Group in absentia, to our academic torchbearers, Dr. Vinay Goyal, Executive Director in absentia, Dr. Anish Gupta, Director Academics in absentia, and Dr. Sajjan Singh, our Principal and Heart of the institution. Your unwavering support is the fertile soil in which such groundbreaking academic ventures blossom. Thank you for believing in the power of change. A huge round of applause for you. Teaching is not the filling of a bill, but the lighting of a fire. To our esteemed speaker, you didn't just share your expertise, you illuminated our minds. You helped us reimagine classrooms, research, and industries. A huge round of applause for them as well. Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally. It comes from what you do consistently. A heartfelt and thunderous applause to our dynamic coordinator, Dr. Pratinder Kaur. Your tireless dedication, midnight emails, early morning checklists, and unstoppable spirit made this FDP a masterpiece. You have been the heartbeat of this Evolve. Please put your hands together for us. Definitely to a calm and capable co-coordinator, Dr. Ashna, and a phenomenal organizing team. Your behind-the-scenes brilliance and the electricity running through this has given us a lot. Please put your hands together for every organizing member. Definitely to every brilliant participant, thank you for showing up with open minds and passionate hearts. You reminded us every day that learning is a two-way current and your energy powered with this time. So the beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it from you. A huge round of applause for everybody who is there in this room. Definitely we cannot forget the people, the invisible warriors who were behind this FDP, the tech team, the photographers, the hospitality staff, and the volunteers. Your quiet competence was the rhythm beneath our melody. So please put your hands together for them. And now, as we close the final page of the 6th-day chapter, let's remember, every ending is a new begin, and every spark today can become a revolution tomorrow. So as we log off and step out, may we carry not just the certificates, but courage. Not just the notes, but the ideas. And not just the learning, but the light to lead. So don't wait the future to arrive, drive it. Thank you all for being the wheels, the engine, and the spark of the world. Let's stay connected, let's stay curious, and above all, let's keep evolving. A huge round of applause once again. The final and the last day of our FDP. Thank you everybody for being here. Now I request our principal, Dr. Sanjay, to please come up and give a vote of thanks to everyone who's present here. Please put your hands together for him.
My heartfelt gratitude and thanks to Dr. Saurav Badrai for giving wonderful lectures, and a big round of applause to Dr. Saurav Badrai for giving wonderful lectures regarding charging stations and different key issues regarding charging stations and electric vehicles. Next, I would like to thank to our managements for supporting every time to conduct this successful FDP. I would like to thank other participants for attending all 6 days, continuously, sincerely attended. And I hope all participants as they getting something new ideas regarding electric vehicles, charging stations. So I think आप लोग थोड़ा सा thinking regarding research issues. कि हमारा technology जो है मतलब इंडिया काफी बैक है अदर कंट्रीज से, उसको कैसे डेवलप करें, मतलब अब ये चीजें हम देखें इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में टेक्नोलॉजी 5G 6G, अब 6G डेवलप हो चुकी है अदर कंट्रीज में, बट अभी भी हम 5G पे वर्क कर रहे हैं, वो कम्प्लीटली नहीं है। तो इस पे काफी स्कोप्स है, हम ही लोग उसको आगे ला सकते हैं, अदर्स नहीं है। हम सोच रहे हैं कि क्योंकि हम PhDs कर रहे हैं, PhDs के रियल टाइम वर्क नहीं कर रहे, वैसे रियल टाइम प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, ओनली फोकस रहता है कि दैट इज कंप्लीट द PhD and complete 2 or 3 research paper, target is complete. This is not a PhD work. PhD work means you produce a new real time products. That's for social work, for social cause you work like this. Otherwise our PhD work is waste. After आपने देखा होगा कि कुछ टाइम के बाद हम PhD work को देखते हैं, क्या किया हमने, कुछ नहीं किया था, nothing, only simulation based work is there in India. That is the reason we are behind from other countries. Like a charging in China is 18% electric vehicles are there, but our 2% is there. What is the reason? 9 times is ago. Like in electronics production, fabrication, semiconductor plants, every हम only assembly are there in India. Manufacturing is नहीं है. आपने देख रहे हैं smart technologies like ICs. Day by day, billion of transistor fabricated on a single IC. The feature size, reduce the feature size, but हम सुन रहे हैं, only theoretical based work कर रहे हैं, not practical based work. Go for like real time problems. कहीं पे भी मौका मिल रहा है, go for like labs, situation, इस टाइप का practical मतलब work नहीं करोगे, that is no benefit for और कल्चर, अगर सोसाइटी को बेनिफिट नहीं होगा तो उसको बेनिफिट ही नहीं है उसका। तो गो फॉर रियल टाइम वर्क एंड पेपर, रिसर्च पेपर ओनली नॉट सिमुलेशन बेस्ड ऑन योर लाइक हार्डवेयर प्रोजेक्ट्स, ये दैट इज रियल, जब तक इम्प्लीमेंटेशन हार्डवेयर प्रोजेक्ट भी नहीं होगी वो मतलब कंपेटेबल नहीं है। हम सोच रहे हैं कि हमने रिजल्ट ला दिए हैं, हमने परफॉर्मेंस बड़ी बेटर कर दी, हमने बैटरी लाइफ बेटर हो गई है, हमने ICs पे वर्क किया है, उसकी जो सिमुलेशन ओनली वो टूल है, मतलब जब तक हम डिजाइन और फैब्रिकेशन पार्ट्स पे नहीं जाएंगे जब तक उसकी एफिशिएंसी हम फाइंड आउट नहीं कर सकते कि दैट इज द इक्वल एफिशिएंसी कंपेयर टू आवर सिमुलेशंस एंड इम्प्लीमेंटेशन पार्ट्स। तो इसके रिगार्डिंग मेरा ये सजेशन है कि सभी लोग इसके रिगार्डिंग वर्क करें और फर्दर सोचें कि हमें क्या कर सकते हैं और इंडिया के लिए, हमारे देश के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं। वो चीज़ें ये देखना है हमें, तभी हम ग्रो कर पाएंगे, अदरवाइज ग्रो नहीं कर पाएंगे। चाहे इंस्टीट्यूट भी तो नहीं ग्रो कर पाएगा जब हम एक बेसिक्स अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूट क्यों ग्रो कर रहे हैं, तो दैट इज वो रियल टाइम में वर्क कर रहे हैं। और वो 1 to 3% इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं ओनली इंडिया के अंदर भी लगाएं जहाँ वर्क रियल टाइम में हो रहा है, अदरवाइज टोटली आईआईटीज के अंदर भी हो रहा है। हम ये मानते कि अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूट्स में आईआईटीज हैं वहाँ पे, बट कहीं जगह एक अच्छा माहौल और अच्छी जगह और एक अच्छी फैसिलिटीज होती है वहाँ पे खुद लोग वर्क कर रहे हैं। ओके, तो फर्स्टली बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज टू कोऑर्डिनेटर एंड को-कोऑर्डिनेटर डॉक्टर प्रदींदर एंड डॉक्टर आशानंद। ये भी हार्ड वर्क to complete the success of these events, and not only this, the complete team, backbone of the team is stage handling team is there. Is I see other media teams, social media teams, and fooding. There are different teams are there. क्योंकि otherwise मतलब we cannot conduct a single person ने conduct किया है, not a contribute. All teams is contribution to there. So big round of applause for all teams. Thank you all. तो मेनली आप थोड़ा सा फोकस अपने रिसर्च पे फोकस करें और ऐसे हम देखते हैं कि इसका आउटकम क्या आएगा इन फर्दर फ्यूचर्स, वो आउटकम हमें नजर आना चाहिए। और इसकी फीडबैक में कोई पर्सन है जो इसकी रिगार्डिंग को एनी फीडबैक्स 6 डे की फीडबैक देना चाह रहा है, प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज। एनी वन पर्सन प्लीज गिव द फीडबैक ऑफ दिस 6 day FDP।
Sir, first of all, I would like to say thanks only to provide such a great opportunity. And again, it is not my first FDP, but I learned a lot. So I really mean, but when I say I learned a lot, because whenever I enter my class, I generally put a remark that at least try to learn something. So this kind of mindset, if our student will have, then obviously they will grow. In this like competitive world, the only situation arises when real world problems, like sir has mentioned, we neglect. So any problem you take, like any like we are dealing now with EVs. So this is a real situation. We should come up with new ideas, solutions, and particularly if any innovation we want to do, any patent, so we can proceed further. Obviously, this 5 days, these were very 6 days, were very exciting, and we enjoyed a lot. There is no issue. I think there is no issue if we enjoy during learning. So enjoying which sense that each and every day was memorable. So again, thanks to the sir and sir also, the whole coordinators and the team members also, our colleagues and our partners who are from apart, I think from where Pathankot. So I still remember. So a very good experience. In future also we want such kind of FTPs, and I request sir to please arrange the same. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for this feedback. We'll definitely cater on to this. Now I request our coordinator, Dr. Pupinder, to please come up and give a short vote of thanks to everyone, because without her this would have not been successful. So please, a huge round of applause for her.
Good afternoon, everyone. I think in these 6 days we have seen similar faces every day, and Pradeep sir has kept everyone awake.
It is my duty.
Number of times he
It is my
kept
duty.
everyone awake, because there are many people who are not from the discipline of electrical engineering, and I think while experts were lectures, that they kept it generalized so that everyone, apart from electrical and other branches also, other like mechanical, computer science, electronics, everyone was very, they kept it interactive and everyone understood what they wanted to deliver.